Last week, my friend texted me from a wedding saying, "Bro, I've been standing next to the snack table for 30 minutes pretending to eat just to avoid small talk." And I laughed, but I felt that. If small talk makes you feel awkward, drained, or just fake, stay with me, because this might actually change that. And hey, drop a comment below. The best one gets pinned and shouted out in the next video. Here's the real secret. Small talk isn't about saying something smart. It's about making someone feel like they exist. That's it. That's the cheat code. And the best way to do that? Active observation. Let me break it down. You don't need a script. You don't need social energy. You just need to notice something real and comment on it. You're not forcing a vibe. You're just making space for someone else to feel human. Like this. You're at a party. Someone's holding a drink that looks like a science experiment. You say, "That drink looks like it has a personality." You're not asking a question. You're just tossing a ball their way, and maybe they'll throw it back. Now here's a story that proves it works. When Barack Obama was still a senator, he met a janitor while touring a school. Instead of walking past, he paused, looked at the guy's worn shoes, and said, "Those look like they've seen some work. How long you been here?" That tiny moment made the guy tear up because he felt seen. That's not charisma, that's presence. So yeah, small talk. It's not about being interesting, it's about being interested. Just notice. Say something small, honest, human. Not everyone will bite, but the ones who do. You'll connect in a way most people never even try to. If you watch this far, I see you. Thank you. Now drop your best or worst small talk moment in the comments. Funniest or most relatable one gets pinned and mentioned next video. And of course, hit subscribe, turn on that bell, and let's keep growing together.